Compared to the 2008 fall, the 2020 market correction happened really fast. But what should you do when corrections happen? In the last 23 years, the market has fallen a number of times. Now, every time this has happened, long-term investors were able to use their SIP to average down the entry price. For example, in 2008, the Nifty 50 fell 60% from its peak. And after some years, the patience paid off, giving a good return to investors. And something similar happened in 2020 when the COVID crash happened and the market fell 40% from its peak. Now, if investors had continued their SIP, their investment would have given a 147% return from the bottom of the market. So in the case of corrections, your SIP investment will currently buy you higher units than before. Your average cost of acquiring mutual fund units is going down. If and when markets do rise, you can benefit from the large number of mutual fund units that you bought through your SIP. Your investments may get opportunities to buy good companies at lower valuations. Now, Axis Mutual Fund is using this opportunity to steadily invest in a portfolio of strong companies that are likely to withstand the economic slowdown or will emerge stronger from it. Your scheme is steadily investing in shares of good quality, fundamentally strong companies. Your job is to stay focused on your goals, stay patient, and use this opportunity to learn.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.